All right, then. So now let's move on to the next question, which is going to be write a program to find a reverse of a string without using the built-in method. So we are not supposed to use the built-in method. That's more interesting, because if you want to use the reverse method, that will be done in a fraction of a second. But here we strictly informed not to use the built-in method. Okay, so what we have to do first, we need to initialize an empty string. Then we need to reverse the string by using the loop. Okay, so by using the loop we can reverse the string. Okay, but instead of starting the loop from the first character, we need to start the loop from the end of that string, right? Then we need to add each and every character to reverse it, right? Simple as that. So let's go ahead and do that. So here, so const reverse string is equals to, we have to supply that string in it, that function, open it. So I need to store that in a new value. So reverse equals to an empty string. So first what I have to do is to initialize an empty string. That's the step one. All right, then what I have to do, I need to loop through. So for let I, but the thing is, usually we start from the 0th index, but here I need to start it from the last index, which I don't know what the last index will be, 10 or 10 6, or I don't know. So we have to figure it out. So we how we can figure it out, just simple as that. We just need to say string dot length -1. That would be the last index. Then I greater than or equals to 0, because we need to go until the 0th index is itself. Then I minus minus. Oops. Okay, so here I just need to say reverse plus equals to, which means I need to add that value with that reverse string itself. String str of I. That will keep on adding that value. Then at the end I just need to say return reverse. So here I'm just going to say console.log reverse string. I'm just going to say JavaScript. Save it and let's run it. Clear pnp, sorry, node index.js. There we go. So we have ourselves the reverse string, but we are not using any particular built-in function. That's the most important thing, right? We achieved it. So this finished the task. Okay, so now how we can optimize it, that's the most important thing that we need to think about it. So basically this loops through the string from end to start, appending each character at the new string to form the reversed string result, right? Using the same logic itself, we can do that. Just by using the split function, we can split each and every character. Then we can access the each and every character by using the reduce method. Then we can simply join it. Okay, let's see how to do that. So here, const find reverse. That's a simple whether it will work or not, I'm not sure, but we can give a try, right? So we can get the string dot split function, use the split function. I'm not going to give any empty space or slash or something, because we are going to split the each and every character. Then I'm going to use the reduce method. Reduce, so that's a function that accepts up to 4 arguments. So the reduce method calls the callback function one time for each element in an array, and the call that specify the callback functions for every element in an array that returns the value of callback functions in an accumulated results, and it's provided as an argument to the next call to the callback function. Okay, all right. But in this case, you should be very careful. We strongly instructed to not use this inbuilt function, right? But I just want to show you how to use the how to optimize the code just by using the inbuilt functions over here. Okay, so what we can do is this reduce function, which is going to take two different parameters, reverse, and we're going to access the character, which in case we are going to join the character plus the reverse string. Okay, then at the end I just have to join this empty string, save it. Then I'm just going to copy this and give it over here, which in case it's going to give you the exact same output as it is. Okay, but this is the way which we achieved it by using the inbuilt function. But according to the question, we are not supposed to use the built-in method, but in this case I just want to show you how to do that. And here we have this more optimized and cleaner code in order to reverse a string without using any built-in function. This will work smoothly as it could be. All right, so always you have to keep an eye on your question. If they mentioned it as don't use any built-in method, so don't use it. If you are using it, that could cause a very big problem, right? So now let's move on to the next question, which is going to be find the smallest word in the given sentence, which is going to be quite same as how we figured it out for the biggest one. So I think let's see how to do that and we can talk about it. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.